Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux Compact condensing dryer and on the display it's giving you an Ex62 error and you're trying to figure out what this error is and what you can do to fix it. Now, a couple of things. First of all, what the error is. So the error is that there's a short circuit that is detected between the main control board and the compressor. So what you can do to check is, first thing you can check is the wiring between the main control board and the compressor. Make sure there's nothing loose, disconnected, frayed, crossed, anything like that, and replace and repair any wiring if necessary. If everything looks good, then you're probably going to need to replace the compressor, which should almost always be done by a professional, because replacing the compressor involves the recharge, emptying and then recharging the refrigerant, which is not something that just any old person can do. If it's needed, and actually if that doesn't fix the issues, the next step would be to actually just replace the main control board. But I will put a link to a tutorial in the description in terms of how to replace the control board.